Gold and silver starting the week on a bullish note has already hit 2902 and 3250 levels. What to expect now throughout the day from gold and silver? Can we expect this bullishness to continue? Can we expect gold to move towards the record levels again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till first, gold on the early chart. See, moving averages have crossed over here. This is a bearish sign on the early charts, and this crossover has appeared after a good bull run throughout in gold. And now these are trading with divergence. What has happened since then? The prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. We have seen a consolidation, and now prices move towards the 20 period moving average. We have to wait for it to now break past 2902 levels. Once it trades beyond 2902, possibility is there that we may see the next target towards 29060. And if 290,608 is taken, 2912 and 2920 are the two resistances it need to break in order to confirm a complete reversal. Right now, I can see that it has formed a slight bottoming here at 2880 levels, which should act as a greater support here. Any drop below 2880 should be a sign of more weakness here. If you look at the stock stick, this is looking upwards. Look at the MACD. It is traded with extreme divergence. It is hit the bottom here and it is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can mean a reversal here where the prices may start to reverse a little on the upside. Likewise with the RSI, it was oversold and it is now coming out of the oversold zone. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, it has formed a very strong support base here at 2880 and now trying to bounce back. See, 20 period moving average are still in the greener side. It is not yet crossed over. These are converged but not crossed over. So possibility is there that we may see this retracement continue. You can buy when you see the lower price about 2902 and expect it to move towards 29.8, 29. Beyond that 2912, and in fact 2920 is also possible. I'll exercise a little caution towards 2912, 2914, and if that is taken, you can expect 2920, 22. More bullishness should prevail beyond that. Stock stick rising. The MACD was trading with sharp divergence. It is showing signs of convergence here. Wait for it to cross over. Right now, I can say that there is lot much of downside available, but look at the waves here, and if it starts to deliver waves, it can hit the top before reversing. RSI rising, coming out of the bottom here. Coming to the 3-hour, look at the 3-hour chart. Series of bearish candles. Support levels are now intact at around 2880. That is a level gold needs to break. If you see it is staying below 2880, you can say now the bears are taking over and you can look forward to more crash here towards 2860. But right now I can see a good support coming in. You can look at the last two waves taking the support from the 20 period, or rather 2880. It has shown a bounce back and a recovery. And see, this is the box on the upside 2940, on the downside 2880. These are the levels it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal and a rise or a drop as well. Stock stick coming out of the oversold zone, looking upwards. See, look at the MACD. This is trading with divergence, trying to converge, not yet crossed over. It is still staying bearish. RSI trying to bounce back. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar observations. See a good consolidation around 2880, and with that, it appears it might move towards the top. Let's wait and watch which direction it takes. Right now, I can see it is getting a bit of a struggle. It is getting a bit of resistance here from the 20 period moving average. Let it trade beyond 2902 and 290608 zone, beyond that 2912, 14 successive resistance here until 292022. It has got greater resistance on the upside. If you look at the stock stick, this is oversold, trying to recover from the oversold zone. The MACD right now, it is trading with divergence, staying bearish. The RSI is looking upwards, good sign, supportive of further bullishness here. Coming to the daily charts now. On the daily, similar is the observation, though the prices are still trading with divergence here from the 20 period, which calls for it to start converging. But what has happened, it is trying to form a good support at 2880 and trying to recover from here. So I will wait now for today's candle, where it closes and how it behaves, because see, any drop below 2880 is anyways a sign of reversal. But where you should sell, I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 2894.92 zone. If it trades below 2894.92, you can expect slight bearishness from there. Once it trades below 2894.92, chances will be high that we are looking forward to 2884 and 7880 zone. If 7880 is taken, we are looking forward to a greater price correction, where the prices are going to trade all the way towards 28 60, 28.40 levels. These are the two support levels on the downside, and we know that below 28.40 it is not going to come back. But right now I can say that the stance in gold is pretty much bullish as of now, and this is just the beginning of the day. It can reverse the trend in just one single candle. Be mindful of this. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD on the daily charts has crossed over, not a good sign for the bulls here. So, and see, this crossover is coming at a slightly elevated levels, which suggests that there has to be a little downtrend here. So you have to wait. Only bullishness today is confirmed if it trades far beyond 29.20, 29.20 levels, 22 levels. That is the level beyond which you can say now the bulls are completely taking over, and gold is looking forward to a greater bull run here. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. So now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy right now at around 2902 levels. This should be a good resistance. When you see the lower price above 2902, you can initiate a buy. Expect 290608 as the first target levels. And if 290608 is taken, then we can expect little more bullishness, 2912, 2914 the next. And if 2912, 2914 is taken, chances will be high that 2920, 22 levels will be. Bullishness is confirmed in gold. If it breaks past beyond 29, 2022, is stable. We are looking at 29.40 levels again. But I will say definitely it is going to find it difficult to trade towards 29.40 or upwards towards 29.40. Let's watch out. A breakout beyond 29.40 certainly is an indication for the near term that gold is going to hit $3,000. Let's wait and watch. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 28.94, 92 zone. That should be a good resistance zone, good support zone. Below 28.94, 92, you can expect it to correct towards 28.84 and 80 zone. If 28.84, or rather I will say 28.84 first and then 28.78.80 second. If 28.78.80 is taken, just stay short from there. Possibility will be very, very high that gold is going to hit 28.60 and 28.40 levels today itself. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, you can see lower lows are seen, and now it is trying to retrace lower highs, means it has a potential for a movement now again towards 32.70, 80, or in fact $33 levels. But as we know that till 32.60, silver has got very good resistance. So now let it break beyond 32.50, 60 zone. That should be a first resistance zone. Then you can expect 32.80, 85, and if that is taken, then stay bullish for 33.10 and again 33.40 levels. See, moving averages have started to converge here, not yet crossed over, and the prices are consistently delivering bullish candles here. So 32.50, 60 should be a good resistance. That should be the first resistance as well. Stochastic is starting to rise. When you look at the MACD, it has shown strong bearishness trying to converge here. A crossover here can lead to reversal. RSI is rising, which is again a very good supportive sign for further bullishness. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what's happening? See, again, prices were divergent here. It is trying to converge. If you see the lower price above 32.50, you can initiate a buying entry rather than waiting for 32.60, which should be the first resistance. But see, if you're buying at 32.50 now, let's be cautious as long as 32.80, 85 is not taken. Once that is taken, then you can expect a good round of bullishness here. What is happening in silver? Rise, retracement, rise. It has retraced sharp, and this is delivering higher lows and higher highs, so it can still bounce back and recover sharp. Stochastic is also trying to bounce back from the oversold zone, while the MACD, which was trading with extreme divergence, it is trying to show us little signs of convergence. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for a crossover in order to confirm a complete reversal. RSI is trying to bounce back, trying to rise. Coming to 3 hour charts, when you look at the 3 hour chart, see, after delivering series of bearish candles, the bearishness got diminished. First bullish candle taking the support here from 32, 31.80, trying to recover here. Now wait for 32.50 to be taken. Beyond 32.50, chances will be very, very high that we may see a movement towards 32.80, 85, and in fact 33.10 levels. Let's wait and watch. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD right now here is trading with moderate bearishness after the crossover. RSI is rising. Signs are mixed here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation finding the support close to 31.8032. It is trying to bounce back first bullish candle. There is a possibility of a second one as well where it can move towards 32.8085, and from there we can say more bullishness should prevail beyond 33.10 levels. Let's wait and watch. Right now I can see it is retraced trying to recover. Let's wait for it to break past by the critical resistances. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD after the crossover trying to converge. Remember, it is still on the sell side here. It is not yet turning green. RSI is looking upwards, good sign supportive of further bullishness. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what's happening? See consolidation hitting the 20 period moving average, then a stronger rise, retracement, and now trying to bounce back up again. Now see rise, retracement, rise again. Possibility is there that we may see higher highs, because see this is also coming from higher lows. So it is trading in this nice bullish channel where the highs now are above 3350, 3360 zone. If you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic though has dropped, the MACD has also converged but not yet crossing over. So today's candle is going to be most important, because see this is again put back silver into this bullish path where it is going to hit the highs again. RSI rising. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 3250, expect it to move towards 3265.70, 3285. These till 3285 I am giving you nearby resistances. These are greater resistances here. On the beyond 3285 I will look forward to 3310, and then this time 3350.60 should be there very soon, if not today. Beyond 3360 anyways, 34 and 35 should be there. On the downside now, where is the selling entry? See, if you see now silver trading below 32.15 levels, you can take a selling entry at 32.15. Expect 32 as the first target zone, first resistance level, first support level, and then 31.80. If at all silver trades below 31.80, remember there is no looking back, at least till towards 31.40.50, and below 31.40.50 this is ready to deliver a round of crash where 31 or 30.80 can be seen, though the stance right now is not so aggressively bearish. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that.